Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking power delivery and battery state because most failures are simple. First, plug a confirmed good cable and adapter. Look for charging LEDs or a phone battery indicator. Once charging, hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to force a restart. Many speakers need a long press. If nothing lights up, wiggle the cable and inspect the port. Corrosion or lint can block contacts. Make sure the adapter supplies 5V/1A or the manufacturer's recommended rating. Once charging and reset fail, move to hardware diagnostics to find the root cause. If the speaker is out of warranty and you're comfortable, open the enclosure to check battery tabs and the power switch. Loose solder joints are common. Use a multimeter to measure battery voltage and confirm 5V at the USB input. Check continuity across the power button. If you find a dead cell or broken trace, replace with the same voltage and similar capacity, and resecure all solder joints before reassembly. After repairs or component swaps, reassemble and test the unit before fully sealing it so you can reopen quickly if needed. Once powered, pair and test audio to confirm normal operation. If the speaker powers but behaves oddly, perform a firmware recovery or factory reset as documented, because software corruption can mimic power faults. If all steps fail, contact the manufacturer or a certified repair service. Save your diagnostics notes and photos to speed up RMA or repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.